this is your flash skin. This is admin login skin. Okay, this is forget password. Admin can reset their password and they can log in. Once admin login, they can see their dashboard, something like that. Here I just put some Spanish language from Google Translate, then here admin can create their create account or create delivery boy. Like once admin click here, they can add their product and they can see their product. Okay, admin can also create a driver from here. So once admin can create driver, they can see driver like that. Okay, the driver profile, admin can edit their profile also. Admin can active and deactive also. Okay, so then this is total driver. Admin can count their show their drivers, total products, how much order admin have, how much, like everything admin can see. Admin can see the some recent deliveries. Okay, admin can see their view all. So there are the view all. Admin can check everything. Like this is filter. Admin can filtering. So once admin click view, admin can see their product list, how much, some calculation, and the delivery boy. And in bottom, admin can see where the delivery is placed, like location. Okay, and go back. Admin can create a delivery. Admin can create, like admin select their products, how much products admin select from here, and admin select the delivery boy, and admin click this location page, and the location will be pop up. Admin can search the location, and then admin can create their deliveries. Okay, so this is basic I just designed for your attention. We are making something like that, the admin panel. And also this is admin can check everything. Okay, don't worry, we'll make full project, but this is the sample we are making with that. Okay, just confirm me, is this way is right, then we will make this one. Thank you, sir.